How to enable noise suppression in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the noise suppression in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So noise suppression is a really helpful and great feature in Microsoft Teams that ensures that all the unwanted noise or any loudness that could be a distraction is removed from your speaker and microphones. So this is a very smart enabled tech and also a feature that I would recommend to use each and every time, especially during your interviews, as it helps in getting a better experience in your interviews and also make your voice clear and free from any distraction. So let me show you how you can enable this. So to enable this, you will need to click onto this more actions button right here at the top of your Microsoft Teams interface. And once you will do this, you will see this third option that says audio settings. So click on audio settings, and within this audio settings panel over the right hand side, you can see under the advanced settings that says noise suppression. So if you'll click onto this I option, it will also show you the about that says enable this to enhance your microphone audio quality by removing background noise. So in order to enable noise suppression, simply click onto this toggle, and once it gets enabled, you are all set and you have successfully enabled the noise suppression of your microphone. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.